Hello guys, welcome to another video of pharmacy. Up to now we completed up to class 4, that is the mother tincture part. Today we will learn about mother solution part, and mother solution are prepared under class 5 and class 6. Okay, again the 5 is divided into 5A 5B and 6 is divided into 6A and 6B. So coming to what is mother solution, in introduction part I already told what is mother solution, and I described the differentiating points between mother tincture, mother substance and mother solution. And also I described for 5 and class 6 what vehicles we are using. So today we will start class 5A. So here the substances which are easily soluble in purified water are taken under the class 5A. Okay, so principle means how we will prepare the mother tincture. Okay, we will take 1 part of the drug substances and 9 parts of the vehicle, means we are using the vehicle purified water. Okay, so coming to requirement, basic requirement, first is your drug substances, second is your purified water. And coming to utensils or appliances, we will use porcelain mortar and pestle, horn-made spatula, clean glass file, minim glass. Why? Because we are taking water and we have to measure that. Okay, balance with weight box, conical flask, and for labeling, pen, gum, paper and scissor. So before preparing the mother solution in this class, we need to test the purity of the medicinal substances. Then we will take 1 part by weight of the medicinal substance and 9 part by weight of purified water. So क्या करेंगे, पहले हम प्योरिटी टेस्ट करेंगे, जो मेडिसिन जो दवा हम लिए हैं उसका हम प्योरिटी टेस्ट करेंगे कि आइदर वो दवा सही है कि कुछ एडल्टरेशन उसमें मौजूद है. ठीक है, अगर दवा प्योर हुआ, अगर वो चीज़ प्योर हुई तो हम क्या करेंगे, 1 पार्ट लेंगे ड्रग सब्सटेंसेस, 9 पार्ट लेंगे प्यूरिफाइड वाटर एंड वी विल कीप इट इन ए फाइल. In book it is written as we need to keep 1/4 of the part vacant. Why? Because while succussion it will be easy for us. For easy mingling or easy mixing, we need to keep that part empty. Okay, then the file is closed by the cork. हम क्या करेंगे, उसको cork में बंद कर देंगे and a homogeneous mixture will prepare by homogeneous shaking. With the gentle shaking we will prepare a homogeneous mixture. उसी मिक्सचर को बनाने के लिए ही हम वेकेंट रखेंगे. If we will not empty, we will not spare that empty part. For mingling it will be somewhat difficult. Okay, so coming to drug power calculation, what is the drug power formula? Amount of the drug divided by total amount of solution, means both drug and vehicle. So what is the medicinal substance here? 1 part. And what is the vehicle we took? 9 part. Okay, so what is the total solution? 10 part. So the power will be 1 divided by total solution. How much? 10. So drug power will be 1 by 10. Coming to potentization part, potentization same as class 4, but vehicle is different because we are using here purified water. So for centesimal scale, what we will take, 10 part of the mother solution, because the power is how much, 1 by 10, and for centesimal scale the strength is 1 by 100. So we will take 10 part of the mother solution and 90 part of water, and we will give 10 downward succussion and we will get first centesimal potency in class 5A. Okay, for class for decimal scale, what we will take, as the drug power is 1 by 10, it is already 1x potency. Same I told during class 4, same it is like class 5 also. ठीक है. So for succeeding potency means for 2x, for 3x, what we will take? 1 part of the 1x and 9 parts of vehicle, and 10 downward succession will get next succeeding potencies. And for centesimal scale also, after 1x, how we will prepare? 1 part of the first potency, 99 parts of alcohol, 10 downward succession, then we will get second potency, centesimal potency in class 5A. Okay, so here what are the drugs under 5A? Some acids are there, some inorganic compounds there, and important is vegetable sources are there. See, the mother solution we are preparing is, we are taking what kind of drug substances? Only mineral and chemical sources, correct? So the acids we are taken is acetic acid, chromic acid, muriatic acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid, sulfuric acid. Inorganic compounds like ammon carb, ammon cost, ammon mure, baryta acetica, baryta mure, argentum nitricum, calcarea acetica, calcarea mure, causticum. At starting also we read in some class for preparation of the causticum. In which class? If you are able to recall that class, then comment in the comment box. Okay, that previously in which class we read for preparation of causticum? In which class? Ferrum mure, kalicarb, kalichlor, kalicost, natrum mure, like that. And for vegetable, balsam. Okay, so this is about class 5A. So now we will see class 5B. So in class 5A, easily soluble in water, but here in class 5B, we are requiring large quantities of water for easy solubility. Okay, so principle is 1:99. They are easily soluble, so we just took 9 parts. Here we require large quantities, so we are taking 1:99. Okay, requirement same as class 5B. If not, once refer mandal, you will get to understand what are the ingredients and what are the utensils, same as class 5A. So we will now go to the procedure also same, only the thing is first we need to test the purity. Okay, then we will add 1 part of medicinal substance and 99 parts of purified water, again 1/4 vacant, and we will shake to easy mixing and to make a homogeneous mixture. For drug power calculation, what we will do? Drug power formula what? Amount of the drug, here amount of the drug is 1 part and total solution is 1 plus 99, that is 100, correct? 99 parts of vehicle, 1 part of medicine, so total solution is 100. So drug power is amount of drug 1 part by total solution 100. So here the drug power is 100. Okay, so coming to the potentization, you will only tell for centesimal scale how you will prepare 1C. 1C how we will prepare? As the drug power is only 1/100, we already got 1C potency, correct? So for next potency, what we will use? 1 part of the first potency and 99 parts of alcohol and 10 downward succession, then we will get second potency. Okay, and succeeding potency, 1 part of the previous potency, 99 parts of alcohol, 10 downward succession, then we will get next potencies. Okay, but for decimal scale, so it is somewhat tricky, because as the drug substance is, as the drug strength is how much, drug power is how much, 1/100. So decimal scale strength is how much, 1/10. But we got 1/100, means it is the 2x potency, correct? So already we got 2x potency, correct? No? Then we will prepare 3x potency. How we will prepare 3x potency? We will take 1 part of the 2x potency and 9 parts of the dilute alcohol, and we will give 10 downward strokes, then we will get 3x potency. Okay, so what are the examples under this 5B? Means oxalic acid, picric acid, phosphoric acid, fluoric acid, kalibai, kalibrom, okay, hydrocyanuric acid, antimtat, platina, cuprum, plumbum, calichlor, borax, causticum. Again, causticum we read in 5A and also reading in 5B. Okay. So these are the all mineral and chemical sources, correct? So by this we completed our class 5A and B, means class 5 we completed. So if any doubt, ask in the comment section. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.